Have you ever wondered how day trading works? What makes it tick? Well, the art of day trading is like playing a game of chess with the financial markets, except your opponent is a supercomputer and the stakes are real money. It all started with the humble roots of stock trading on the trading floor or over the phone. Picture this: men in suits, shouting orders across a bustling room or frantically dialing up their brokers. Fast forward to the digital age, and the scene has dramatically shifted. We're now in a world where trading takes place at the speed of light, with computers doing the heavy lifting. This evolution has brought about a new breed of trader: the day trader. Day trading is a phenomenon that allows individuals to take the reins of their own trading strategies. It's like being the captain of your own ship on the turbulent seas of the financial markets. So, what exactly is day trading? Well, if you've ever seen a Hollywood film featuring ruthless stockbrokers making high-risk deals, you might have a skewed understanding. The reality is a little less glamorous, but no less thrilling. Day trading is the act of buying and selling securities within the same trading day. The goal? To profit from small price movements. Sounds simple, right? But like any good game of chess, there's a lot more strategy involved than meets the eye. In the world of day trading, the term stock market is often used as a catch-all phrase for the financial markets. But in reality, there are several types of markets where day trading can take place, each with their own rules, regulations, and potential for profit. Now let's take a moment to recap what we've learned. Day trading is a fast-paced, high-risk, high-reward form of trading where the goal is to profit from small price movements. It's a product of the digital age, enabled by computer-based trading, and it provides individuals with the opportunity to take control of their own trading strategies. But remember, while the world of day trading can be thrilling, it's not for the faint of heart. It requires dedication, strategy, and a keen understanding of the financial markets. So if you're considering embarking on this journey, make sure you're well equipped with the knowledge and tools you need to navigate the turbulent seas of the financial markets. And then there you have it, the world of day trading in a nutshell. Whether you're an experienced trader or a curious newbie, I hope this has given you a better understanding of what day trading is and how it works. After all, knowledge is power, and in the world of day trading, it's also profit.
It buys crazy ass happiness.